This is your guide. This one is your guide. You have to follow this one.
Yeah, just follow the line, anak, sa inner circle. This is so hard.
Let me do it for you.
Kasi huwag kayo ng ano.
I don't know how. Ano mo sila?
Almost done! Sa winter judo, yung ano, gagawin natin.
Follow the circle.
Ay, maliit na.
Wala na. Kuha ka na ng bago.
Kuha tayong bago. Ayun.
You can help, Daddy.
Sige, help kita para ano. Para mabilis. Kasi ikaw magtuloy
Another line for
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, after that, if you have... Okay, let's wait for Yaris mo na para sa explain na. Yeah, good job. Then fold it into two po. Fold it into two, like this. Okay, fold it into two. Then pinch. You have to pinch it in the center lang po, ha? Dito pinch at the center. Center lang po. The other one. Then the other one.
And the other one is
After that,
hold it again. Hold it
fold it again.
Hold it again, anak. Hold it again.
Okay, fold it again. Then pinch. Okay, just like this po. Opo, like that. Okay, good job.
You have to hold it in.
Why do you do that?
What you doing here?
Okay, we're gonna wait.
may white basket po sa harap. Kung lahat po ay mapuntahan na, please grab your card for a social track.
I haven't cut it. Then after that, if you are done already here, cut a small, make a small hole. Small hole. Okay.
This one, done. Small lang. Small lang.
Sige, pwede naman.
Small lang. Small lang. Go.
Sige, pamaliit lang po yung magtitig
Go.
ng straw.
Ayan, show the picture.
And then, yeah. Okay, yes, so I follow niyo po yung front.
And then you cut the line. You cut the one line. You cut the one line. And this one. You cut the one line.
Yeah, that one. Good job. Good job, MJ. Then after, okay na po dati, nakat na. Sige, cut mo na po. Like this po.
Ayan natin.
Like this. Very good. Ayan, so for the others.
And then you circle it. Make mo may picture mo dyan.
Then make a cone shape. Hihit na ganun na po natin. Okay, then mix mo dito sa Scotch tape. Put the Scotch tape here. Use the Scotch tape po. Stop. Oh, sorry.
Later, MJ, you wait.
Enough na, enough.
Hold it first, Jared. Hold it first. This one, hold it first.
Another one.
Yan.
Okay.
MJ.
Then ito po, ibibend natin dito. Ito po yung insert natin sa hole.
Inside mo na dun sa hole. Inside mo na
Help
sa
kita.
hole. Go, kakasya yan. Go.
Sa edge lang po, para mas maganda yung ano po, pag-flow. Huwag po masyadong ilabas yung